Guys, you do not want to miss out on this amazing video. We're here to show you 15 super handy DIY projects. Watch till the very end to find out. Number 1, Egg Carton Chair. This one is going to be very simple. Grab some empty egg cartons so you don't use them anymore, and if you have a bunch, you can make a chair out of it. All you need to do is start stacking them all together and make sure it's in the shape of a chair. Once you're done, you can relax, and it actually is comfortable. Number 2, watching a video and your hands get uncomfortable? If you said yes, we have a solution instead of continuously holding your phone for so long. Just lay down on the couch and place a pop socket between your toes. You should be able to easily relax. We don't know what to tell you if an ad pops up. You're on your own then. Number 3, avoid spilling. Don't you just hate spilling food in your car? I think we all do. Which is why all you need to do is get a car tray. This is a tray that you can connect to a steering wheel, and it's very helpful. Make sure to get this product and you'll be able to do this all by yourself. Number 4, balloon saves everything. For this one, put a balloon over something that you need to keep fresh, like watermelon. Make sure the balloon's on very well and keep it refrigerated. It's easy to cover and it keeps things fresher a little bit longer. Number 5, Aloe Slime. Guys, if you get Aloe Slime, make sure to apply it to any dusty plants you have, and once you're done, it'll look very shiny. Number 6, glitter shoes. For this one, you just need to jump right into it. Tape down the bottom of your shoes. Make sure you take off all the laces, and for all the things that aren't taped up, apply fabric glue. Make sure the whole shoe is covered and start pouring glitter, any color you want. We decided to go with gold. Now take off the tape and look how fresh it looks. Number 7, no more messes. Have you ever mixed food together and it made a huge mess? Well, this one's for you. All you need to do is use a trash bag as a protector. Squeeze your head through, make holes to fit your arms in, and whenever food flies, it'll just get on the trash bag. No hitting you at all and preventing a big mess for you to clean up later. Number 8, get rid of marks. Have you ever had something laying around and when you lift it, there's a huge crust mark? Well, we have a solution. Get some nail polish and paint it on the bottom of the bottle. Let it dry, and when you pick it back up, it should not leave any more marks. Number 9, edible slime. For this one, you're going to need to grab a bucket and start pouring chia seeds in, a bunch of water, and all kinds of food coloring. Mix it long enough and then it should look complete and you can actually eat it. Number 10, make your drawing come to life. Grab a plate and a whiteboard marker and add a little water to the plate and start drawing. Once you're done drawing, grab a straw and blow lightly, and watch as your drawing moves and it seems like it's alive. Number 11, popcorn. Once you're almost empty with the bowl and only have these left, grab them and apply them to a hair straightener. Then boom, you made more popcorn. Number 12, gloves too big? For this one, all you need to do is squeeze and pull on the glove until you stretch it where you like. Now you should have a little bit of a better grip. Number 13, need to soften butter? Guys, all you need for this hack is a cheese grater. If you need to soften your butter, grate the butter on the cheese grater, and now you have a few pieces of butter. Number 14, can't reach something? Let's say you need to install a light bulb. Can't reach? We got you covered. Add some double-sided tape onto the bulb, grab a mop stick, and you should be able to reach it now. Number 15, want to cut lettuce faster? Well, for this one, all you need to do is grab a pizza slicer and cut lettuce with it. It takes less time, it's a lot easier, and you're good to go. Well guys, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, hit the like and subscribe button and turn on your post notifications. And until we see you guys next time, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen and have a great rest of your day.